Evaluate the integral. Here we have the square root of 3x plus 2. So what we're going to do is that we're going to say that u is equal to 3x plus 2. Of course, we are finding the integral by substitution. So u is equal to 3x plus 2. So now let's find the differential. And what does that mean? All we need to do is take the u. That will become a du. And we need to take the derivative with respect to x of 3x plus 2, which is just 3. And then we write the dx right there. Great, so du is equal to 3 dx, and we want to replace the dx that is right here. And how can we do that? Well, we can divide both sides of this little equation here by 3. So I get du over 3, in other words, 1 over 3 du equals dx, because those just cancel out. Great, so now I can just take this and place it right there. Instead of dx, we're just going to write 1/3 du. Fantastic. And write the integral sign and the square root of u, because I just already took the 3x plus 2 and I replaced it with the u. So what can I do right now? I can actually take this 1/3 out here, because it's just multiplying everything else. So I can rewrite it as 1/3, and we're taking the integral of the square root of u. Okay, and the square root of u is equivalent to just u to the power of half, or 0.5. Right, because that's just the square root of u. Great. Now, to take the integral, what can we do? We can add 1 to the exponent and divide what we have by whatever we got for the exponent. So that's going to be simple. We're just going to have, we're just going to have u to the power of 1.5, because we just added 1 to the 0.5 and we divide it by 1.5. And we're still multiplying everything by 1/3, and we're adding a constant. We do this with every indefinite integral. So if we don't see little numbers here, which would make this a definite integral, we're going to add a c at the end. Okay, so let's keep going. 1.5 is just 3 over 2, right? I'm just going to write it as 3 over 2. And 1.5 is just 3 over 2 down at the bottom as well. I'm just going to quickly rearrange this. That's going to be 1/3 times. Now, if I am dividing something by 3 over 2, I can just flip and multiply. So I can multiply it by 2 over 3 instead. Oh, I forgot the c here. Can't forget the c. Never forget the c. So we still have u to the power of 3 over 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 2 over 9. U to the power of 3 over 2. Oh, I forgot the c again. Wow. And now we're almost done. All we need to do is finally replace the u for 3x plus 2. Then the integration by substitution is indeed complete. So we have 2 over 9 times 3x plus 2 to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. And that's it. We have fully integrated what we had to. There we go. For more examples, go right there. Good luck.